Hi everyone. Since I'm not around today, I recorded this video, which is the last topic for your coverage sa inyong prelim examination. So regarding sa inyong assignment, we'll check that next meeting, okay? So now we'll be talking about types of random variables. This is actually just a very short lesson. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. So today, we will learn how to distinguish a random variable, either discrete or continuous. Know the difference between discrete and continuous variables. Give examples of discrete and continuous variables. Discrete random variable. Kung may discrete random variable class, by definition, it is a quantitative random variable that can assume accountable number of outcomes. So kung may quantitative number class, meaning maihap na to siya. It talks about numbers. So sa discrete random variable, we can assume a number. So like whole numbers. So what are those whole numbers, man? 0 up to infinite. 0 up to infinite, right? Positive infinity. So mount siya mga whole numbers. So kay maka-assume man tag number, therefore it is a discrete random variable. Okay, so to further understand, let's have some examples. Okay, so number of apples in a basket, number of absences, number of balls in a bag, number of fish in an aquarium, number of COVID cases, and number of distributed vaccines. Okay, so nganong discrete random variable man ni sila, miss? Okay, so discrete na sila class because ang giingon man is number. So kung may tag number, okay, so kung may tag number, kung i-translate ni nato siya into kuan a symbol, this is x. So random siya, random variable x. Since kay random variable x man siya, by the definition, clear all my drawings, okay. Okay, so by the definition, we can assume a countable number, maihap nga numero. So let's say ato ang number diri is 4. So we have 4 apples in a basket. Kay 4 apples man siya in a basket. Therefore, this is a discrete. Discrete siya. Kay naka-assume man ta og number. Ningon man siya a number. Again, basta number, ma-translate nato siya into a variable or a random variable. Okay, so discrete random variable class, these are values na maihap. And whole number siya, so what I have said earlier, and have a fixed number. Fixed gid siya dapat because dapat finite gid siya nga number. Kay discrete man na. And then pwede ba ta magamit diri og 1/2? Pwede ba ta magamit og 1/4, 3/4? No, because that is already irrational. Di siya part sa whole number. So 1/2 or other fraction numbers kay not part of a whole number. So dili na siya pwede nato gamiton nga i-assume sa ato ang random variable. So I hope everything is clear. So now, let's talk about continuous random variable. So kay ang discrete random variable kay maihap man siya, countable man siya. Here, a quantitative random variable that can assume an uncountable number of values. So dili siya maihap class. It is infinite. This is not fixed number. This is not a fixed number. So what takibaw kung unsa ang iyahang exact possible number or possible value sa kana siya nga certain given example. Okay, so let's have some examples para ma-visualize nato kung unsa na siya. Okay, so kung yung tag-continuous random variable examples anak kay kani. So let's say na atay length of a wire. So kay niingon man siya length of a wire, makaibaw ba ta kung unsa ba na diha nga length iyang gigamit? No, di ba? It is unpredictable. It is not a fixed number. It is not a whole number. Ay, it is not a fixed number. It is not a whole number. Igo ra siya niingon og length. Malay ba nato no kung unsa yung gigamit nga length? There are many lengths. Like for example, in centimeter, in meter, foot, and so on and so forth. Voltage. So, di gihapon siya specific. Dili siya random variable. Ngayon tag voltage, random variable ba na siya? No. Dili na nato siya ma-translate into a mathematical symbol. Next is weight of a newborn baby. So, kay weight raman siya, na siya value. Pero, it's just in an interval. Wala ta kay baw. Kung unsa jud ang exact number. Next is the amount of sugar in a cup. So, puta kay baw kung hinamis ba na siya nga person or dili. So, this is not a fixed example. This is infinite. All of these are infinite. So, mo na siya ang kalahian between the two class. Ang discrete is finite siya, while ang continuous, infinite. From the word continuous, patuloy ra gid siya. Walay kahumanan, wala takibaw kung unsa ang iyahang exact value. Okay, so let's have some illustrative examples. Okay, let's say toss a coin 4 times and observe how many times the tails will occur. The random variable x is the number of the times the tails occurred, and it may take any integer value from 0 to 4. So, kay ingon mo siya diri no, 0 to 4, na siya range, but ato ang tan-awon sa kaning certain problem class kung unsa nga experiment ang iyahang gibuhat. So, kay gatos man siya og coin, no? From our previous discussions, basta mag-toss ta og coins, we can automatically predict what are the possible outcomes. Makaibaw ta kung unsa ang mga posible manggawas. Total number of possible outcomes. And therefore, it is a certain type of discrete. It is a type of discrete. Kay balo man ta class kung unsa ang mga possible outcomes kung mag-toss ta og coin. Therefore, this example is a discrete random variable. I hope everything is clear. If my question, just message me. So another, let the length of the electrical wiring and electrical appliances be the random variable x. The values of x ranges from 1 to 6 feet for most appliances. Okay? So gatok siya diri interval. But kay gatok man siya diri interval, wala dili ta ka-assume diha dayon kay iyang gigamit is the length man. The length of the electrical wiring. Basta length siya, ma-convert ba nato ni siya into a mathematical phrase? A mathematical symbol? No, di siya random variable. Automatically, this is a type of a continuous random variable. Continuous siya. What takibaw? This is not a fixed number. From the previous examples, mga length, weight, mass, inana siya. Continuous na sila. Okay, last, cast a pair of dice and observe the number of dots on the upturned faces. Let the random variable x be the total number of dots on the upturned faces. As you can see, ang iyang gigamit nga experiment kay pair of dice. So sa pag-cast of dice class, sa duha ka dice, ma-predict na to or makaibaw dayon ta kung unsa ang possible outcomes. So naa siya limitation, finite siya. We can actually determine what are the possible outcomes for that certain experiment. So sa casting aday, ma-predict na to iyahang total number of possible outcomes. So therefore, kay ma-predict man na to ang iyahang possible outcomes, ang iyahang random variable. So this certain example or this certain problem is a type of discrete random variable. I hope everything is clear. Again, if na question, just message me so that I can clarify it to you kung sa kalahian sa duha. Okay, so now, your turn. Okay, nasa inyong buhaton diri class. Ang kani siya nga form is, ang kani siya nga link, by the way, kani siya nga link is inyo kani siyang kapihon. Since kay video mo ni siya, inyo ni siyang i-type sa inyong Google. I-type niyo sa inyong Chrome or Google baron kanang mo redirect ra mo ana sa form. So, i-type niyo dito, malargo na mo sa form. So, sa form, do not forget to write your name, section, and then inyong answer. Because, if dili mo makabutang sa inyong name, nga dili mo submit ani nga certain activity, of course, you cannot earn a score. So, this is recorded. After anak class is naa pa jud mo insiran activity number 3. So sa activity number 3, the same sa inyong buhaton, i-type na ninyo siya sa inyong Chrome. And then mo redirect na siya sa form. Make sure to input your last name, your first name, and your section. And of course, submit mo sa wala pa 5 p.m. nga naman because ako na siyang i-close ang link 5 p.m. So, katong mga late, wala jud mo activity 3. You will not gain scores ani nga certain activity if dili mo comply. Okay? Okay, so maura na siya. And then if you have any question, do not hesitate to message me or ask me. Okay, so that would be all. Bye-bye, everyone.